Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you when one of your sticker feature is missing on Instagram. So let's start. First, open the Instagram app. First, go to your profile from bottom right corner. Then tap on three bars on top right corner and go to Settings. Now tap on Help. Then tap on Report a Problem. And then tap on Report a Problem again. You have to take a screenshot of your problem. If you haven't taken it yet, then tap on Take Screenshot. I have already taken my screenshot, so I'll tap on Gallery. Now I'll just quickly find the screenshot. Now let me show you the screenshot. You have to take a screenshot like this, and you have to circle your problem. So I'll just make a circle, and when you are done, tap on the tick icon. Now you have to describe your problem and then tap on Submit on top right corner. And the Instagram team will get back to you within a few days. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.